All right, we're getting almost ready to go. Michael is smiling. The room is almost full. I think we still got 10 minutes to go or so, or 15 minutes to go. And the stage is ready to rock and roll in Buxton. Getting the one small town message to the people of England for the first time in many years. Really excited. There have been a lot of excited people here, excited faces that have come and greeted me and said hello and welcomed me. And Julia is ready, Karen is ready, and we're ready to go. Almost. See, everyone's happy because we're doing happy stuff here. That's why it is. All right. Almost ready. Until later.